paper crafting, diamond painting bright. Glitter spills on every hall and stack. Can't find the floor, but I'm on the right track. At Diana Loves Colors, let's explore. Diana Loves Colors.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thanks for coming to see this video, which is my little haul from the Happy Crafter shop. So I did place this order a while ago, and it's been sitting here, so I didn't make any videos all last week, so I want to show you this though. So this is Lisa's card with all her social medias on it, and I'll have it linked in the description box. So I took everything out of the box, and the first thing I got was these little bow shaker pieces. Aren't they cute? Pink, white, and yellow. I love it. So I got 3 of those. These were so inexpensive. They were only $1.50. So one is for... no, 2 are for me to work with, and 1 is for a swap that I'm going to be in. So I got these beads. Aren't they pretty? They're all faceted, and I love the colors. I also got these little flowers. Cabachons. Oops, let me bring it over here so you can see it. Those are pretty. And I got these little fruit pieces. These are little candies. Fruit candies, cabachons. And they're so tiny and cute. Let me see. I don't want this to be blurry. So you get strawberries, kiwis, pineapples, grapes, and watermelons. So I got 2 of those. One of those is for a swap that I'm going to be in. And I got these candy beads. And I got 2 of those. One of them will be in for a swap that I'm in. And then I got other stuff that some of it's other holidays. So I was able to get 2 of the ready-to-be dangles, and these are gold with the 3-leaf clover and the leprechaun's hat. And I think the rest are all Halloween. Well, actually... yeah, that butterfly is for Halloween with the skull in it, and that has the silver chain, which I like silver. And this has the moon and the sun on it, that black butterfly. And this one, it's also in silver. This is Freddy Krueger in a bottle. That's fun. And this one is also in silver, and it says, "Go away, I'm sleeping, rest in peace." And this one is also silver, and it says, "Love you to the tomb and back." And these are acrylic pieces. And I want to see something. Okay, I wanted to see if they were the same on the front and the back, and they are. So, and now I have a couple of dies to show you. This one is Halloween, and it says October 31st. So I have another one that says October 31st that I got from Temu, which I like, but this is a different font. And this also comes with 3 of the shadow pieces, and it comes with 3 different sizes. So I really like that. And it's unusual to get 3 shadow pieces. So those are going to look really great for Halloween. And then I got this shaker gift card die. And it does say Be Merry there in that font with the shadow piece. Sorry if that's glaring. And then this is the piece on the back. And I suppose that's where you put the gift card, right? I'll have to see. And I believe she has videos for most of the dies on her at her shop, which is great. And you don't have to use this Be Merry. You can put any word there that will fit. These two will both fit. So that is great. So that is my order from the Happy Crafter shop. Now I used Enos at Papercrafting with Enos. I used her code this time, which is Enos10. I'll put it in the description box. Liana at It's a Deal also has a coupon code for 10% off, and her code is Liana10. I'll put that in the description box also. So thank you for saving me some money, both of you at different times. I appreciate that. And her prices are really great on this stuff anyway. So thank you. And if you want to look in my description box, I have coupon codes for Kokorosa Studios, for Beebeecraft, for Panda Hall. I also have 2 coupon codes for diamond painting companies, and one of them is Diamond Painting Shop, and the other is Feelook Art. And I am an affiliate for both of those companies, so I may make a small commission if you use those codes. So thank you. I'll see you next time with something new.